How y'all doing this morning? I'm going to do an old Eddie Arnold song. I'm going to do Don Edwards' version of it. I like it better. I was going to record it live on Facebook, but they're still not letting me record anything live. I guess I've said something that goes against their standards, but I really don't give a flying. I'm going to say what I want to say anyway. The cattle are prowling, the night winds are howling out under the western skies. The cowboy is singing, his spurs are a-jingling as down the trail he rides. Singing his cattle song. Many hours he will ride on the range far and right. The night wind it blows up a squall. His heart's like a feather in all kinds of weather. He's going home this fall. Cattle call. When the cattle are bedded, on night watch he's headed. Nothing seems to be wrong. He cast up his eyes to the starry skies, singing his cattle call. Cattle call. Well, the new day is dawning. He wakes up a-yawning, drinking his coffee strong. He makes his bed roll, down the trail he will go, singing this cattle call.